to my channel once again. In this video I'm going to show you how to do the easiest cast on for absolute beginners. So the first thing that you need to make a slip knot. So form a circle, take your yarn, form a circle, take the yarn that's on the right and put it in the middle, and hold the yarn that's now in the middle and pull. I'll do it again. Form a circle. You can do it either way. Put your fingers inside, grab some yarn, pull it like this. Okay, so that is a slip knot. Okay, so once you do that, put your slip knot on your hook and adjust it. So now what you want to do, you want to cast on. So to do that, we're going to wrap our yarn on this finger. Hold on, wrap. You wrap as many times as you want, as you can, right? So now what we're simply going to do is to take our needle, put it underneath that loop like this and release it from your finger. That's your first needle. That's your first stitch. Put the needle and release the loop. Okay, put the needle underneath and release the loop. Okay, you're casting on. Okay, so when your loops lace, you can just wrap more loops. Okay, put your needle underneath that loop and release it from your finger. Put your needle underneath the loop and release. Underneath, release. Okay, so you're casting on. Okay, let's do it one more time. So this is the way that I learned how to cast on, and I learned this from in primary school from my home economics teacher. All right, so okay, put the needle underneath the loop and release it. Okay, put the loop underneath the loop and release it. Loop, release it. Loop, release it. Okay, like that. So that is how you you cast on. Another thing that I also learned that will help you as a beginner is when you're casting on, cast on two neat needles like this. So we're going to wrap again, and you can just put both these needs underneath and you cast on. Underneath, release. So underneath like this and release. Underneath, release. Underneath, release. Otherwise you can just make a loop like this. Can also work like this. Let me do it in slow motion. Just make a loop like this, release, like this, release. Okay, so that is how you cast on. So when you cast on two needs like this, you release one need when you want to start knitting. This will just help you in making sure that you... Alright, so that's it from me. Thank you so much for joining me. Please look forward to more videos on this channel. Alright, have a great week. Okay, bye bye. Please do subscribe and turn on your notification bell if you like what I do. Alright, bye bye.